Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku channel yami usahleli nisalukazi Ntombi Endala uGogo Patricia. So in my previous video, like I said, I talked about inkanyamba because there's someone in the comment section who was like, Gogo ngicela ukhulume ngenkanyamba nangenkosazana after I've made the Nzunza videos, right? So today ngizokhuluma ngomoya wenkosazana. Inkosazana. Inko. So kunenkosazana kunenkosana, right? But today ngizokhuluma ngenkosazana. Inkosazana, it's a water spirit. It's a water spirit. Yes. And ithanda umcebo. Most amaphupho akho uzophupha maybe abelungu or Indians bajiva with their belly buttons, uba umuntu ophupha amacici agoldi, uphupha abantu abafaka ama necklace, abafake rings, abafaka amabhengele abahle. You dream of this beautiful people, right? And abantu abanenkosazane kwabona, you tend to be beautiful. Ilabantu abangagugi fast. Like, but how old are you? You look young. Do you have kids? How many? 3. Hey, when you look like you don't have kids, you look like in J. We are yilabo bantu because of why lo moya lo. It makes you young, it makes you lovable, it makes you bubbly, and they are flirtatious people. Most of them uzobabona in their personalities. Umuntu akhulume nawe kahle usawubona but ubhuti khona sikabona kahle ukuthi umbizile kanti cha kusuwe lo moya wena it's in your nature obviously. Uyambulisa kahle kodwa babona ngathi uyaflirt, so you've got that flirtatious appearance. Umuntu othanda ukudlala, umuntu othanda ukuhleka, umuntu who's bubbly, who's easy, man, who's easy. Kodwa abantu banenkosazana iza no ne ching ching, uyabona, iza ne ching ching machankura. So most of the time uma uyenza iladi mawunenkosazana ngiyacela ungalishiyi iwayini elibovu, lithanda into ezimnandi, thanda into ezinhle. Iwayini ebovu, iwayini right wine means phahle ngayo babiza ubaphe nabo ukuthi baphuze nabo. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not gonna go too much into my videos. Ngiyabonga emakhosini lisedi khanya xama kunjawuwe. See you on to my next video.